Picture this. You're dealing with multiple medical issues, one of them being a snoring problem. You've tried a sleep study, even wore a strap to keep your mouth shut, but nothing seems to work. Your spouse is frustrated and responds by waking up at 3:30 every morning to loudly react to YouTube videos and podcasts. This not only disturbs your sleep, but also makes it hard for you to fall back asleep. When confronted, your spouse justifies their actions by blaming your snoring. The question arises in this scenario, who's the real culprit? This is the dilemma faced by a Reddit user, presenting a complex situation where empathy and understanding are tested. What do you think? Who's the offender here? The snorer or the one reacting loudly to internet content in the wee hours of the morning?